Yeah, Reviewed Minds. Welcome to our YouTube channel titled Reviewed Chemistry. In our previous channel discussions, we talked about proton numbers. Today we'll be looking at what? The neutron number of an atom. The neutron number of an atom is the difference between, the keyword there, between the atomic mass of an element and the atomic number. Let's say, for instance, you have the mass of an element to be 11, and we have the atomic number of an element to be, for example, 6. You can actually have the nucleus from here, which is 11, which is the atomic mass, and 6, which is the atomic number. In that process, you have what? You have 5 as what? The neutron number. That is how you calculate what? The neutron number. But I'm going to make a video on the calculation of what? Neutrons. Now, let's go to what? Atomic mass of an atom. The atomic mass of an atom can also be known as what? The mass number. The mass number of an atom is the sum of protons and neutrons of an element. Did you know that before? Just clear your mind on that. So for you to get the mass of an element, so to say, you can add the proton number and what? The neutron number to achieve what? The mass number. Now let's look at the electrons, which is always found at the what? At the fair of the atoms. Now, we say that what? The electron of an element has what we call a negligible mass, but carries what we call what? A negative charge. All the atoms, in one way or the other, must go through the spin, which is what? At the fair, talking about what? The electrons. And the electrons can also be in form of what? Atomic mass. Sorry, the atomic numbers. So the atomic number can also function in the aspect of what? The electrons. So, in the electron, you have to look at it in a key aspect by looking at what? Their charge. Their negatively charged atoms, must to say, because in the nucleus is positively charged, and the electrons are what? Negatively charged. So if the protons inside the what? The nucleus is positively charged, you need the electron to be what? Negatively charged to neutralize the what? The reactions. Which is why I said here that in any atom, the number of electrons equals the number of protons. And when the number of positive charge is equal to negative, the atom is what? Electrically what? Neutral. And when the atoms are what? Electrically neutral, the purpose of the structure of an atom is what? Achieved. I believe that I have cleared your mind in the aspect of what? The neutrons number of an atom, the atomic mass of an atom, and the electron. See you in this video.